Interesting facts about space. Poles formed by gamma-ray bursts, and if even one of these poles coincides with Earth, humanity could be wiped out. The reason for this is the gamma-ray burst from a black hole created behind a star entering hypernova. If the asteroid named Chaos God, passing 32,000 kilometers close to Earth, were to collide with Earth, there would be nothing left of our planet. The nebula named Rosetta, shaped like a dry skull, is located 65 light-years away from Earth. The explosions of large stars are called supernovae. The heat released after a supernova explosion can reach up to 1 billion degrees. A severe solar storm could be powerful enough to destroy all electricity and communication networks on Earth. There are countless stars in the universe. There are so many stars in the universe that NASA studies based on the Milky Way galaxy suggest there are zillions, i.e., an uncountable number of stars. There is no sound in space. There is no atmosphere in space, so sound cannot travel. The footprints of Apollo astronauts on the Moon will remain there for 100 million years. Since there is no atmosphere on the Moon, the erasure of footprints is not due to factors like wind, but rather to impacts from particles and erosion on the lunar surface. Neutron stars can rotate 600 times per second. When neutron stars are born through a supernova explosion, initially, they can rotate 60 times per second, but under special conditions, they can reach 600 times per second. 99% of the mass of our solar system is composed of the Sun. The reason is its density. The Sun is a G-type main sequence star, converting approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. During this transformation, it also converts about 4 million tons of matter into energy. The energy reaching Earth from the Sun per hour is greater than what the planet uses in a year. If two metal pieces of the same type touch each other in space, they permanently stick together. This is called cold welding. The reason is that there is no material environment in space, so atomic particles stick together. There is an asteroid in our solar system the size of India. The surface area of India is 3,287,590 km². A day on Venus is roughly equal to a year on Earth. Due to its slow rotation, it takes approximately 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one full rotation. Interestingly, Venus completing one orbit around the Sun takes even less time than a day on Earth. Moreover, the Sun rises on Venus every 117 Earth days. This means the Sun only rises twice a year, technically occurring on the same day. Since Venus rotates clockwise, the Sun rises from the west and sets in the east. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is shrinking. The shrinking of this spot is believed to be caused by jet streams. Although the spot is shrinking in width, it remains large in length. Previously, 3 Earths could fit into this spot, but now only 1 Earth can fit. One of Saturn's moons has a distinct two-tone color. Saturn has 146 moons, with 13 of them having a diameter larger than 50 kilometers. There are millions of small moons and numerous embedded rings. One of these moons, Lepidus, is actually a unique celestial body. What sets it apart from the others is its black and white coloration. While its largest moon is Ganymede, the other largest moon is Titan. Among its moons, Titan has Earth-like atmospheres with dried rivers and hydrocarbon lakes. The position of the North Star will change over time. The reason is that the pole star will begin to change its position approximately 13,000 years from now. The Earth undergoes a motion called precession. This means the axis will take on a slight cone shape, and this process takes about 26,000 years.